Hello everyone, my name is Nevzat. Today I am going to talk about my FL service implementation details. I implement an API server which just takes an input from the data scientist and make a request, make a deployment to the other host machines. You can just zip your code and send the API, and the API will handle all the deployment, containerization stuff, because the data scientist just send the required dependency to the server, and server creates an auto-generated Docker file and creates a Docker image from it, then deploy the given host machine. And I also have FL service client, which is a CLI. This CLI makes it available to use a application as a CLI tool, and you can see the documentation here. I have a Docker command, ping command, and remove host for now. Let's run the server first, and here you can make a request by using Docker. For example, I can return the Docker state, and then I can maybe ping the remote host machine. You can see the logs there. It just ping the remote host and determines whether it is up and running, and it just says it is running because there's a local computer in my home desktop. And I also has remote host information. You can just filter it according to the contact information. You can just use help to return the information about the CLI, and you can set the configuration from there. Also, you can make deployment which is not implemented yet in the client side. You can say deploy an IP address. It just deploy the given dependencies to the IP address in the container. And also FL service has a Docker, FL client has a Docker endpoint. The Docker endpoint, just you can install Docker and give an IP address, return the states of it. You can also see the documentation here. Here's the extensive Docker, extensive API documentation. You can check the documentation here. If you want a detailed information, it's just introduction for the college. If you want to hear the detailed information, you can see the command for more details. In the detailed video, I'm mentioning about all the stuff and how to use it, how API generates a Docker file, an image, etc. Thank you for listening to me. Have a great day.